Well, hello there. What do you think of this little nifty thing, huh? Isn't that pretty cool? You like that? Yeah. Today we're gonna talk about the purpose of this area. If you're opening up an adult day center and you have a smaller space, 2,000 to 4,000 square feet, we're gonna talk about why is there a half slider and a half door? What is this contraption? Why would someone do such a thing? I'm gonna break it down, but first you must like, comment, subscribe, show a little love. Did you do it yet? You didn't do it? You know what, man? Hey, nah, come on. Show us a little love, okay? Anyways. All right, guys, so no, seriously. My name is Chris Shannon, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And today we're in our original, smaller location, about 3,600 square feet. This was our first location that we started. It's a lot different than the one that is opening in Sarasota, and it's a lot different than the ones that our franchises, our franchisees, our franchise partners will open. However, I wanted to at least share some ideas with you if you were opening up a smaller center, if you're doing this on your own, if you currently have one, and you're trying to figure out how to utilize the space better. So one of the things that we did is we created like a small little lobby area up here, which kind of creates a little bit of a separation from the actual activity space. And what's nice about that is it allows for us to have conversations with families, for us to focus, maybe on people who might be coming by, to be able to focus and have those more intimate conversations with the families maybe in passing, to be able to have someone to focus on answering phone calls and handling all that stuff. But to try and do all of those things when this is open and this is open, and you're just people are wandering in and out and everyone's talking to you and asking you questions, it's impossible. You can't do it all. So we decided to create this little half door with a half slider. And what's nice about it is if you were say an owner operator and you're handling and doing it all, this could give you the ability to quickly, reach out to your team and to update them on something or to let them know that someone was coming in. It also gives you the ability to say focus on deeper work, or to focus on that phone call, or to focus on emails by just shutting the little slider. Isn't that nice? Pretty cool, huh? You like that? Yeah, automatic, baby. So this could be a great alternative for you. This could be a great way for you to create that separation from all the fun and the activity, so you can actually do the work that you need to do, but then for you to quickly open it and actually share and update your team and do the things that you need to do to instruct them. Again, if you're working in a smaller space and you got to be able to multitask, and this could be a great option for you. And it creates a little separation, and of course it allows you to be one with your team, but also get the work you gotta get done. Make the phone calls, bring more people in, sell them, get them in the door, get your senses up. Come on, guys. All right, if you haven't already, make sure you go to adcpro.com, subscribe for our monthly webinars, which are completely free. Check out our private Facebook group. And if you're interested in owning your very own Active Age someday, and just wait. I cannot wait for you to see what this new building looks like. It's unreal. It's gonna blow your minds. So if you wanna get in early and you wanna open up your very own Active Age before they're all sold out, you better go to activeagecare.com/franchise. Join the movement. Adult Day is the future. Active Age is coming to a city near you. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.